pulls me. What's up, free Uber Eats? Let's go. So first off, create a Gmail account. Whatever it may be. Probably anonymous name. You don't want to go with your real name, probably. Yeah. Okay. Now, can you see that? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Now, so we got our Gmail account, so then we need a phone number and an email. So if you don't have them, if you already have them, you're fine. But if you already used your Uber Eats account, you probably want to do a new phone number and email. So unless you already have like a burner phone or what have you, so you probably want to go to some free phone service. All right. So now you want a free phone number. So go to textnow.com or another service. So I don't know how to do this because you have this thing in the middle. You can't get rid of it. How do you move it? Here. I get a phone number. Continue with Google. You should be already logged in with Google. Select a phone number. Wherever you are. Go ahead. Sign up for a new account. Enter your phone number. Your name. Your code. Then you probably want to So now once you go pick up your order, and you'll see a list of orders. Click on the order that you just had. You'll see the details on it. Click the help on the very top right hand corner there. And then you'll see information on what you can dispute. So click on wrong or missing items. Do not click on anything else. Then enter the items that were missing, like everything. And make sure you add a picture of an empty bag, like inside the bag, maybe with cutlery or whatever, but make sure there's no items in there. So now you should get an email, maybe in a couple hours, maybe 10 hours, whatever it may be, 12 hours. And this is what it is. but usually it'll say no response needed, wrong or missing items. Now, right away they say, okay, we've processed a full refund. You'll get back on your account in 5 days. And then we can confirm that. There we go. Yeah, make sure you always, like once you've done it, probably the second time is not going to work on the same account. So you probably have to create a new email address and phone number and new Uber Eats account to do that again. But it should work consistently, because sometimes it may allow you up to 3 times, to get a refund on one account, but may not. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So to be safe, you probably want to create a new account every time. It's a bit annoying, but it only takes another 10-15 minutes. And yeah, and then obviously that's it. So like and subscribe for more and follow. Hope you like it. Thank you. Peace out.